Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are tackling something that a lot of people think is totally out of reach. Getting your hands on the awesome power of GPT-5 completely for free. Yeah, you heard that right. If you thought this cutting-edge AI was locked away for paying subscribers only, stick around, because you're in for a treat. That's right. As of August 2025, that whole idea that the best AI is only for people with deep pockets, well, it's officially a myth. The paywall has been smashed, and we're about to show you exactly how to jump in and take full advantage. So think of this as your personal playbook. We're not just going to show you how to get in the door. No, we're giving you the inside strategies to get around the few limitations that exist and start using this thing like a pro, all without spending a dime. Okay, so what's the big deal? Why is this free access such a game changer? Let's break down what this huge shift from OpenAI really means for you and me. Honestly, the difference here is just night and day. Before, if you were a free user, you were kind of stuck with older, less powerful AI models, basically yesterday's tech. But now, you get a direct line to the most advanced AI on the planet. It's a massive upgrade that puts pro-level tools into literally everyone's hands. So when we say PhD-level reasoning, what does that actually feel like? Well, it means the AI can now tackle these incredibly complex problems that used to take a whole team of human experts to figure out. It's like having a genius research assistant ready to go 24/7. All right, you're probably thinking, there's got to be a catch, right? And, well, yes and no. To handle all the new users, there are a few key differences between the free version and the paid one. So let's get real and look at exactly what they are. The main thing really just comes down to usage caps. So paid plus users get way more requests they can make. Free users, you're going to have a daily limit. All this means is you just have to be a little more strategic with your biggest, most complex questions. So yeah, the Plus tier does keep a few goodies for itself, those higher caps, a slightly different pro model, and this special mode for really deep analysis. But, and this is the key, for the vast, vast majority of what you'd want to do, from writing code to drafting emails to analyzing documents, the free version is incredibly powerful and more than enough to get the job done. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. This is the part you've been waiting for. The step-by-step guide to using GPT-5 for free. We're going to start with the most direct way to get in, and then we'll cover some awesome backup options so you're never left hanging. Getting in is actually way simpler than you'd think. Just head over to the OpenAI website and log in like you normally would with your regular free account. Now, here's the trick. The system is smart. It's designed to automatically kick into GPT-5 mode whenever it senses a really complex question. You don't have to look for a secret button or anything. It just works. But what happens if you hit that daily limit? Don't even sweat it. You've got a whole squad of free alternatives ready to go. Microsoft's Copilot is amazing for research and browsing the web. Poe gives you access to a bunch of different models. And then you've got tools like Merlin that can plug you right into the API. Having these in your back pocket basically makes your workflow unstoppable. You know, getting access is really just the beginning. Now we're going to talk strategy. These next few tips are going to take you from just being a casual user to a true power user who can squeeze the absolute most out of every single query. You want to work smarter, not harder? Here's the game plan. First, try to space out your really intense questions so you don't hit that daily limit too fast. Second, use simple little prompts like, think hard about this, or reason through this step by step. That can actually nudge the AI into its deeper thinking modes. And finally, for simple stuff you have to do a lot of, just use one of those backup platforms like Copilot. And last but not least, you gotta protect this free access. That just means playing by the rules, no spammy stuff. And this is super important. Always save or document your most valuable results. The real goal here is to blend all these different tools together into one smooth workflow, so you never get stopped by a usage limit again. So there you have it. The keys to the kingdom are officially in your hands. An elite AI with expert-level reasoning is now available to anyone who wants it. So the only real question left is for you. What incredible problem are you going to solve first?